So once our noob here installs his auto typer, our Chrome extension intercepts the file immediately. It doesn't save to disk. Instead, it redirects the binary straight into our sandbox environment for deep analysis.
Let me explain what is actually happening behind the scenes. It's much more than just a virus scanner. First, we spin up a Docker container and feed the binary into Ghidra, which is the NSA's reverse engineering tool. It strips the file and converts the machine code into Ghidra's pseudo-C. But the problem with that is the output is barely readable. The variables are just addresses and the logic doesn't make sense. So this is where Alias shines. We take that raw output from Ghidra and pipe it into a custom AI model called LLM4 Decompile. Unlike a standard LLM, it's specifically trained on Ghidra's pseudo-C. It understands the compiler optimizations and reverses them. So using this LLM, we perform a two-pass analysis. The first pass restores all of the logic. It reconstructs the loops, the if statements, and the functions. With that, we use another model, in this case Gemini 3 Flash, to turn all of that code and make it readable. So based on context, it'll rename variables and functions and comments to make it make sense.
So why would I use Alias? Well, unlike traditional antiviruses, Alias is actually able to deconstruct the file and dive deep into its inner workings. Compare that to traditional antiviruses, which are unable to do so and can only take a surface level look at the file to tell you if it looks suspicious or not. Oh, it seems like it's finished. Alias successfully decompiled and analyzed the code, recognizing that it was actually a keylogger and automatically deleting it from the system.
Oh look, you can pretty obviously see the keylogger here, which the antivirus missed out on. Finally, we have our second take, which uses Gemini 3 Flash to combine all the functions. And what it outputs is a piece of code that is clean, concise, and understandable, and is something you can understand and learn from.
With Alias, you can uncover the true identity of any executable.